T-TWR. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at the Liligo T-TWR. Now this is an APRS digipeater. It has Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, an SD card, built-in TNC. It also is an APRS transmitter and repeater. It has a live interface dashboard stroke control panel, which if you ask me is just out of this world. We've added some special firmware to this and it only took 5 minutes to install, and I have made a video installing it. This is the interface. I did watch the TechMinds video from Matt and that helped me install it along with reading the instructions. So at the moment you're just seeing the dashboard, but there if you look at the top you've got these headings. You've got radio, iGate, Digi, tracker, VPN, wireless, all kinds of settings there. And this is the sort of digipeater settings. So it gets a APRS signal, then retransmits it. And it's got an SMA antenna connector, but I always buy those adapters. Shall I show you one? You get like two for, I think it's £5. And they change SMA to BNC. And then I've got lots of BNC antennas and adapters. So if you look at this device, it's got a small OLED screen, but it really packs a punch. Now you can control it using the wheel, and I can just, at the moment I've got it on APRS, but we can actually do voice. It has a microphone, but if I just quickly key, and you've got some buttons here. You can buy a case for this, by the way. It's going to transmit my position APRS wise, but if I had it set for voice, it would do it via, we'd be able to talk. It's in digipeater mode at the moment, so if I just go F, then beacon, it repeats it. You can see it repeating it, and then we have a dashboard that we can look at on our PC. We can actually look at it via our phone because it works via a browser, and once you've loaded the firmware, it automatically starts a Wi-Fi connection which you can log into, which you can then switch to your normal broadband once you've added your details. And it's, it's telling you what's happening here as well. I've got my location in there now. I had to add all these settings in, and even the frequency of the device. And you've got my, my broadband showing there. And then we can flick through. There's my radio settings. It's just very, very, I'm super impressed. And I've got the Pico APRS. Oh, look, it's actually found my SD card, has it? Let's have a look. Looks like you can do a firm. Actually, I remember seeing on the device that you can update the firmware online as long as you are connected to Wi-Fi, which I'll have a go in a minute. I've not done it before, but there's a wheel here, and I'm not trying to teach you everything here. As you know, I'm not really a teacher. I'm more of a doer. So we go to settings. There, look, settings. And I've never done this before, by the way. I just noticed it when I was flicking through. You push the wheel. And go down to system, push the wheel, see if we can we got save and load. Oh, look at that, we've got dim and contrast and that. I found that by accident. To go back, you just hold it in. There you are. Let me just find the Wi-Fi update. So, oh, by the way, it's got a battery, a big battery. It lasts forever, really. It's very low energy. So you go to the settings, push. Oh, it's too far. That's giving you that QR code actually gives you the IP address, which is 192.168.4.1. But let's just go back. We'll hold in. It's not going to let me do it now. Okay. Come on, let me go back. That's better. So now we'll go to the settings. Down to system, select, down to about, OTA update. Oh, well, it's given me the good thing is it's given me in that one Wi-Fi status. We get to see our IP address. Let's go back. You can see it's fiddly. I did it earlier. And it started looking for Wi-Fi. There you are. current version 4.0 for wait for download update. Let's see what it does. I think I'll leave it there because I don't know how long it's going to make me wait, but you get the idea. This is a very sophisticated device. You can see I've got all this information, all these links. There's my SD card that it's found. That just pops into there. Look at all this. You've got your reset button, boot, power on off, PTT there at the top, which I just pressed. Bye for now, 7.3.